how to pin a reel in Instagram profile. So in this video I'll show you step by step on how to pin reel in Instagram. After you open up your Instagram like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So if you come to your profile now, tap on this reel section. So now go ahead and search for the reel that you want to pin. So for me, let's say I want to pin this reel. As you can see now, here is it, this video. I want to pin it to my Instagram profile, this one. As you can see now, open the reel. After you open the reel like this, now tap on this three dot at the bottom right side, this three dot. After you open the three dot, now tap on this manage section. After you open the manage, now scroll to down and tap on this section which says add to profile grid. This one, add to profile grid. So as you can see now, after you tap on this add to profile grid, now tap on this back arrow. So if you tap on this back arrow, now as you can see now, tap on this section, grid section on your profile. So as you can see now, I move now the Instagram reel to my profile. As you can see, here is it. Now open the Instagram reel like this and tap on this three dot at the top right side again. Now tap on this. As you can see now, scroll now to down and tap on this pin to your profile section. So tap on this confirm button. So tap on this back arrow at the top. So as you can see now here is the reel. As you can see now here is the reel. Now I pin this reel on my Instagram. That's it guys on how to pin a reel in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.